Hi everyone. Today I have Bill's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller that Bill sent to me because he was telling me at the time when he called me that the auger was on full time, which is a symptom that I see often on these controllers. So with the auger on full time, you really can't use it. He sent it to me for repairs, and I'm ready to do a final test on it now. So I have my Pel tester on, power is on, so I'll go ahead and turn on the on switch. When I do, I should get the combustion fan and the convection room fan come on, and the convection room fan will be on low. And it'll be on low because right now I'm in low mode. So let's go ahead and turn that on and see what happens with our lights. And there it is. We have it on low. What I'm able to do now is press the manual feed button, and that should make the auger light come on. There it is. The auger light comes on and off. That simulates the motor running. And the other thing I can do right now is I can go to the high fan mode, which will put the light at the brightest possible position. There it is, brightest light. So that means the fan would be running at high speed. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press on the auger button. That should make my green light come on. And after about 15 seconds, the auger should start running automatically. And we'll see that by the light for the auger coming on and the indicator over here coming on brightly green. So let's go ahead and press that. And there goes the green light to tell us we're in automatic mode. And we just have to wait our time here, 20 seconds or so, until the auger motor starts being cycled on and off. And the duration of the auger cycling depends on our pellet feed control switch position. So I have it on low right now, so the light will not stay on for very long. And there it is. It was on for just a short period of time. We'll go through that cycle one more time, and then I'll switch it over to max. When I do that, we'll see the convection room fan, the red one over there, go on real bright, or as bright as it can. And we'll see the auger motor light stay on longer. So let's just wait for one more cycle, and after this cycle I'll go ahead and switch it over to max. There it is. That was a short cycle. So let me switch it over to max. As I do that, see, as I do that, the light goes brighter and dimmer. So I'm on max right now, so I'm waiting for the auger to come on, and it'll stay on for a longer duration this time. There it is, a little bit longer. Just what I expected. And you can clearly see the light down here, just below the word pellet, or just above the word pellet, sorry, is coming on when the auger motor comes on. There you go. So, from my point of view, this controller is now fully functional. I'm ready to return it to Bill, and he can test it in his furnace and let me know some feedback on how it's performing. Thanks, Bill. I appreciate it.